Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your very first time visiting my channel, it is so nice to meet you. I hope before you leave that you will decide to go ahead and be a part of this wonderful channel by clicking that subscribe button. So in today's video, I decided to stop in my local Lowe's store. I saw both of these beautiful water features and I wanted to share it with you. These both would make great Mother's Day gifts. So let's continue to see what else Lowe's has to offer this year. Aren't these hydrangeas showstoppers? Just look at the beautiful colors. Now the reason why we came to Lowe's was to just get some potting soil so I could repot some of our potted plants, but these stopped me in my tracks and I just had to share them with you. As you can see, they are listed at $24.98. Hydrangeas are perennials, and so this will make a great investment. This is what I was looking for. And white wedding hydrangea. This is how they would look. I'm thinking about getting these. Now, when we visited our local Lowe's store, as you can see, it was in full bloom. No pun intended. But as you can see, there is a plethora of colors, whether you were looking for florals that were full sun, partial sun, or shade. Lowe's got you covered this season.
I can see you looking at me. Just give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly, into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it, let's go for gold.
I really like this color combination of the florals in this hanging basket. This would be a great Mother's Day gift. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that Lowe's has these sweet potato vines. I was looking from every store last season and I could not find not one vine. So I'm definitely getting some of these.
Love is stronger than anything.
Now these are called creeping jennies and they look great in any floral pot. These hibiscus plants would make a beautiful addition to any patio, front porch, deck, or whatever you're attempting to decorate during the spring and summer season. Now for all the green thumbs out there, Lowe's is having a clearance sale on all their plants. So this is just a portion of the ferns they have on clearance for 50% off. And this is everything else that they have on clearance. I hope you enjoyed this quick walk through our local Lowe's store and that it inspired you to go out and check out your store. And now we're just loading up what we've purchased and get ready to head back home to work on our landscaping and do some repotting. Now, I did decide to pop into the Dollar Tree to see what they had for the spring and summer season, and this end cap of florals here caught my attention. So let's check it out and see what they have available here. So we're going to start with the fruit picks, and then we're going to work our way down to the florals and the greenery picks. I'm loving these miniature pears, you guys. We're off to a great start. Just check out these little miniature apples. Don't they look so realistic?
Here's why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over.
And if you're looking for some festive lemon pick florals, you might want to check out your local Dollar Tree. How cute. I really like these blueberry picks, but I did notice that the berries themselves were very fragile and was easy to fall apart. I really like this greenery pick here. I like the color differentiation between the light and dusting of the greens, and I thought it was comparable to something you would find at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. I also like this olive pick as well.
Into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Yeah, yeah, let's go for gold.
Overall, I thought all these floral picks were fantastic. They would be great to use in any type of floral design, whether you're creating a small floral vignette, a wreath, or anything that you're going to be using to decorate your home, or even a event such as a wedding. I hope that you enjoyed both of these mini shopping blogs and that they have inspired you in some way in your own creating abilities. So let's get back to my home and let's work on our landscape. So what we're doing here is we are going to be removing this lantana out of our landscape in the front of our house, and we're going to be adding some white hydrangeas in this section. So it's going to be quite a task trying to remove this lantana because we've had it here for numerous years and it has grown year after year beautifully, and it's got a strong root system here. So now this is part of the root system that came from that lantana. So you can clearly see that this lantana made itself at home. Now you can't tell by this video, but it did take some time to remove this lantana. The roots had to be disconnected and cut, and the weed protector paper that we had down had to be removed, and he really had to dig down into that ground to get that lantana out of there. But he was able to do so. My husband was very successful. He was able to remove this lantana. Look at that. And that's the spot where it was before. And here is the lantana that he removed right here. To replace the lantana that we just removed, we're going to be using these two white hydrangeas. I think they're going to make a great addition to the front of our landscaping, and this is what they're going to look like once they get mature and increase in size. And they are called white wedding hydrangea, just in case you want to purchase some. So we are setting up to retransplant the lantana that we removed from the front of our house, and we're actually putting this near our driveway near a large pine tree. Now we're just checking the hole to make sure it is big enough to hold the root system, and I don't think it's quite big enough, so we're going to pull it back up and open this section up a little bit larger. So I'm just adding some fertilizer to make sure that this transplant goes well and that the roots will have some good nutrition down there to absorb into the root system of the lantana.
Into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Yeah, let's go for gold.
So now we have safely relocated this lantana, and the temperatures are soaring today. So it kind of looks a little withered, but it's got to have a little time to get settled into its new home. So now let's get these hydrangeas into the ground.
Into a dream I won't deny. I'm so
Okay, it is burning hot out here at the moment, so we went ahead and replanted everything. We have the hydrangeas planted. We have one on this side and one on this side. And I also planted this sweet potato vine here. And we put that into place. And it's actually called a sidekick lime sweet potato vine. So we put that into place. These are some perennials that my coworker gave to me. And she did not know what color they're going to bloom, but they are going to be perennials. So I split it and I put one on this side and one on this side. So we are finished with this bed as for the planting. And so we're probably going to add some straw, some pine straw in here to complete this entire look. So now we're going to go ahead and add in the straw, and this will complete this side of our landscaping. I want to thank you all for stopping by my channel today, and I hope that this video motivates and inspires you to go ahead and get outside and do those outside projects. So until the next video, happy decorating. Bye guys.